excited about this day. Big boy toys. So this pump track out here at Oak Mountain was made maybe 10 years ago, and from what I originally saw, there was not much of a direction. So if you see behind me here, there's a bit of a track, but over here, I don't know what was going where. So I'm just gonna start giving it a proper direction and a full facelift. We're gonna kind of work with what's here already, and I'm kind of marked out a spot where I see where the direction they're going. So I don't know, let's see where it goes. So we got right 180, left 180, back there, right 180. That's gonna come across here. I open up the back, so I might put a couple jumps over there that jump into this turn maybe. So this will come across here, shade into this 90, little sideways table into a right 90, roller, a little gap into a double, 90, roller, that'll be a tabletop, roller, 90, roller, or something. I'll put something here. Right 90, left 90, 2 rollers, that will be a proper gap if you hold your speed, into a left 90. I won't do a right 90, but I'll do 2 sideways rollers, and that's a lap. It's looking good. We're gonna have a lot of space all right here. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this space, but how it was before, nothing really flowed. We'll get a good base. And once we have room and this track is actually flowing well, then we have room to expand and open up a few things and then tie it in and use this area. So day 1 is good. Day number 2, back at it. Alright, we got some rough shaping. You might as well give it a test on the old pit bike. That's a workout. Back at it. Day number 3. And it rained. So the rain is good though, because I kind of needed to see the water's gonna run off too. And as I'm seeing right now, it doesn't look, there's a little bit of water over there sitting. There's a jump over there that water's sitting. All the water's draining on top of all the drain heads, but unfortunately they're all clogged. So. Anyways, let's get to work. So much rain. So I used today to take these tools home and fix old busted tools by welding them back together. And for anyone building a pump track, this tool is one of the best ones you can have for making it smooth. But if you buy this, make sure these bolts are tight, because I used this for about 10 minutes and this tool started falling apart. This is Oak Mountain dirt. This is what we have to deal with. This was smooth 2 days ago when we packed it, and it's like so much rock gets exposed. So fingers crossed, everyone come together and love this track, and maybe we can get asphalt on it one day. The last and final day, we got Will, who started the whole process, and he's the reason why we're getting this pump track. So I added big rock here between this turn, big rock over there, big rock over there, and not only are they aesthetically pleasing, they can be trickable features. I'm gonna come through and build a wooden lip here that you can come across, and you can straight line through the S turns, hit a little wooden lip and get back into the line for people to learn. I like building jumps that motivate people to kind of push their progression. And we got tabletops out here, so then they might be comfy doing that, but they're scared to hit a gap. So now these little doubles will match the tabletop we have over here. So if you can jump that, you can move over and test your skills on a gap. We're gonna finish packing and then start riding this thing.
What's that gonna be?
So the main line comes through here, obviously,
yeah.
And then I think I'll do it where you can transfer over. I just had the dirt, so I'll make a little landing, and then you can come through here. Eventually we'll add some rollers when we get more dirt, and I'm gonna do a little wooden lip over to that table.
Hey Corey, you should ride
That's officially it. The track is, I don't want to say officially finished because we need water, but everyone just turned out. We got a whole session. Spence, Steven's coach of the BMX track, came over here early to sweep. This 3-day weekend project, 3 weeks later, is going. Look at that. Looking good.
Nice.
I think we did a good job. We'll officially rip the tape before we put tires on it. All right, we're riding. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Well, we need some water and a little bit of raking. I think we're good. Berm's a little mellow. A lot of things here where I designed it to be kind of like friendly to everyone. So I'm hoping once like the locals get used to actually riding pump tracks and riding good berms, we can come through and dig these berms out, actually bowl them out, make them a lot steeper, but it's a good start. Yeah, boys. Give me a little nose bonk on this one. Oh! What do you think, Austin? How you liking it?
It's cool. It's really cool. Leave a like on the video and subscribe for good luck for 5 million views.
There you go. I can tell you watch all the videos, don't you?
Yeah,
Thanks, bud. What do you think about the pump track?
It's awesome.
This is the first pump track you've ever ridden?
Well, I rode the old one, but
That didn't
this
count.
one's a lot better.
That was like an RC track.
Yeah, this one's a lot better.
All right, thanks, bud. Yeah. Wow! Oh! Try it again. Oh! Oh! Got it. So we had enough water hose to water that side of the track, but not this side of the track. Plan is for everybody, all the locals, get used to this, and hopefully we can steepen everything up, and then fingers crossed, one day we'll have asphalt. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, like, all the good stuff that makes me keep these videos coming, and I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Peace.